What does it mean to be likable or charismatic? Many people think it's about being good looks or rich, but being charismatic isn't about having fancy clothes or a big house. It's not about showing off. It's more about what's on the inside. Basically, being charismatic is about a special kind of energy that comes from a person. It affects others, not through tricks, but just by being yourself. Being charismatic is like a secret power, a special quality that some people have. But it's not just for famous or successful people. It's about being real, being yourself. As Quentin Crisp, a famous critic, once said, being charismatic is about influencing others with your personal qualities. It's about inspiring others, not with what you have, but with who you are. Think about the people you know who are attractive. They live in the moment, not worried about the past or the future. They attract everyone with their energy. Their attractiveness comes from being fully in the moment. People who are attractive are not worried about past mistakes or future problems. They focus on the present moment, which draws others to them. They are good listeners. They pay full attention, making you feel heard. They respond with thoughtfulness, showing that they are present. They seize every opportunity that life gives them. They are not just spectators. They are active participants in life, fully engaged in what they are doing. Being charismatic isn't just about being present. It includes many qualities and the energy you give off. It's about taking control of a situation and captivating everyone around you. Being charismatic is about power, but not only physical power. It's about a gentle psychological power. It's not only about showing off physical strength, but also about inner strength. It's about the power of persuasion and influence. All of this comes from the power of your words. The power of your words, their meaning, their depth. It's about how strong your words are, and how deep your feelings can be. Your choice of words, how you say them, the tone you use, and the strength behind them all add to your charisma. When you combine heart and power, you create a unique mix of qualities that sets you apart. This balance is powerful and captivating. It's a mix that's warm and strong, gentle yet assertive, and absolutely commanding. Your voice is important in becoming charismatic. How you talk influences how others see you. The power of your voice comes not just from the words you say, but also how you say them. The style, pitch, speed, and volume of your speech all play a big role in how others see you. Basically, your voice can either make you more or less charismatic. A deep, steady voice usually sounds smart, powerful, reliable, and like a leader, which are all important for being charismatic. By breathing in the right way, you can make your voice deeper. This is because controlled breathing gives your voice the stability it needs to sound deep and powerful. So, the depth of your voice can show authority and confidence. Also, controlling your energy levels is important in making your voice more attractive. High energy tones sound enthusiastic and powerful, while a low energy tone can suggest the opposite. Once you have mastered these elements, your voice will sound authoritative and confident, making you more attractive. So, understanding the impact of your tone of voice and using it to its full potential is important in becoming more attractive. So, here's the call to action. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, don't wait. The key to improving yourself is right here. Get ready to discover new parts of your personality that you never knew existed. Don't just watch, like and subscribe to learn more. This is your chance to join a group of people who are trying to improve themselves and become the best they can be. We promise to guide you on this journey with advice, tactics, and strategies to help you become more attractive, help you influence people, and win hearts. we're committed to helping you become more appealing to everyone around you. This isn't just about being charming. It's about improving in every part of life. It's about becoming a stronger, more assertive, and commanding person. It's about becoming a person who's admired, respected, and loved. It's time to level up in life and show your natural charm. Like, subscribe, and join us on this journey. It's time to discover the best version of yourself. Until next time.